Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the new Rust update. This guide will help you navigate the latest changes, from new items to altered gameplay mechanics. We'll cover essential strategies to ensure your survival and success in the updated world. Get ready to adapt your tactics and dominate the server with these crucial insights. Let's dive into what's new and how to master it. The latest update brings significant shifts to core gameplay. You'll notice changes in how combat feels, with weapon balancing impacting your loadout choices. Base building and resource gathering have also seen adjustments, requiring you to rethink your early game strategy. Mastering these new mechanics is crucial for long-term survival and thriving on the server. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: surviving in Rust can be tough, and so can real-life meal prep. Make your life easier with these leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. A fresh update means new gear to discover. We'll go over all the newly added weapons, armor pieces, and essential consumables. Understanding their crafting recipes and resource costs is key to acquiring them efficiently. Think about how these new items can enhance your existing loadout and give you an edge against other players. Survival in Rust is always a challenge, and the new update adds fresh layers. Learn effective tactics for navigating the updated maps and identifying key points of interest. Protecting your base from new threats and evolving raiding techniques is paramount. Remember to collaborate with your teammates, utilizing any enhanced communication features to your advantage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.